Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and customize live captions on your Windows 11 computer. So basically, live captions allows you to convert audio played on your PC into text form that shows on the screen. So it's only available in English. It's specifically, I believe, the United States region. So at this time, the time of this recording, it hasn't been rolled out worldwide to all regions and language packs, but it's coming soon, probably. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a brief tutorial about it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select accessibility on the left panel here. Go ahead and left click on that. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath hearing, and you want to select captions. And at this point, you should be able to select a caption style, whether it's white on black, small caps, large text, or yellow on blue. And it should give you a little preview, as you can see up on the little image above. So you have to click on the image and it'll show you what the preview is going to look like. And that's pretty much it, guys. And if you just want to turn it off entirely, you don't have to have it turned on as well. But this only applies when you're using the accessibility tools. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.